turtle shell. And what it is made up of? People envision a turtle something like a lizard with a bony covering around it. Nope, not even close. Turtle shell is composed of ribs that have flattened out, joined the skin, and fused into bony plates. The spine is fused directly into the underside of the shell. The ventral portion of the turtle shell, the plastron, is composed of the ribs and the sternum. There is no removing a turtle from its shell. The shell and the turtle are completely interconnected. The shell is skeletal. The upper layer, that is, the layer above the vertebrae and ribs of the turtle shell, is made up of keratin, which is the same protein present in our hair and nails.